So I filled up the Daimler the other day and filled it more full than I normally would, and noticed that there was a smell of petrol from the boot. And I suspect, seeing as the tank is relatively new, it's not the original, it's been replaced. I replaced it back in the day. But yeah, I think it must be this hose. So it doesn't smell normally, but say with it being the tank being full and potentially petrol slopping about, I think it was leaking from the this filler tube. So I've taken the panel off inside the boot, undone these Jubilee clips, and pulled out this tube, which, as far as I can tell, is original. I certainly haven't changed it, and maybe that's the issue. The filler cap just fits in the end, and stays all that on with these Jubilee clips. So a quick search on eBay, I've found some silicone tube, which is the right diameter, near enough. This is 51mm internal bore. It's available in black, blue and red, but I went for the red just because it's going to be hidden behind the panel in the boot, so it won't be visible. But it will be pretty obvious that it's been changed to anybody that comes across it in due course. But this looks to be a good fit. And that's nice and snug. And I also have two new Jubilee clips as well. I will stick that back on. The rubber grommet here, which goes on the body, that is actually in surprisingly good condition, really, considering its age. Again, I'm pretty sure it's the original. Very slight sort of perishing along the edge, but not that you'd notice. A bit of paint there, which I will take off. But yeah, I'm going to reuse that. I'm not sure they're available anyway, but yeah, nothing too bad with that. So yeah, I'll cut this down to the right height and stick it all back together. Looking at the filler cap, there is some rust around here. It's not too bad, but I've wire brushed it and it's still pitted. So just to make sure that it's an airtight seal, I'm going to use some of this silicone sealant. This is Permatex Ultra Grey. Just a smear around here, just to seal it against the silicone hose. Should just fill up any pits from the rust. The pipe on top of the petrol tank is fine. It's quite smooth steel, so it's just this one that perhaps needs a bit of help.